Closer to home now, the Frigo Bridge is getting renewed attention from federal transportation officials. The NTSB says it is one of 68 bridges across the country that need to be evaluated for its risk of collapse in case of a vessel strike. Officials caution against panic.
It is the NTSB kind of doing their due diligence to make sure that states are taking a look at structures that might possibly see some level of heavy ship traffic, and so might possibly have some level of risk associated with it.
Just a decade ago, one of the bridge's pillars sank about 2 feet, causing a portion of the bridge to sag, which shut it down for months. Today, the NTSB also released new information about the Baltimore bridge collapse. It's been nearly a year since the cargo ship crashed into the Francis Scott Key Bridge. Officials say they found that the structure was almost 30 times over the acceptable risk level for critical or essential bridges.
A risk level above the acceptable threshold doesn't mean a collapse from a vessel collision is an absolute certainty. What we are telling bridge owners is that they need to know the risk and determine what actions they need to take to ensure safety.
A final report is expected this fall.